Hi lovelies. I just wanted to show you the walk that I do every day. Um, it's just so peaceful and tranquil, and it's out in nature, and it sets you up for the day really. It sets the tone for the day. And I love how all the trees and the foliage just form an arch, and it's all dark and secretive, and it's just lovely. I love it. I do this every day. I just love this walk. And look what I found. I knew it was an orchid and I looked it up when I got back, and it's a pyramidal orchid, wild orchid. Okay, so today's job, that was I've seeded that now. Where I took out the big, huge, massive, as the root ball. Well, I've seeded it. And I'm still going to have a border there, but I've seeded that part. So we'll see. And today's job, I emptied that planter. And today's job is going to be, see where these pebbles are in between the paving stones, which need cleaning, by the way. I'm going to take all those out and replace it with a light gravel and put some plastic down as well, because it's just gets weeds and it drives me crazy. Plus I trip over the stones. So I'll see if I can make those rather nice. I'll have a go at that today. Okay, so this is where I'm up to. I've removed all the river pebbles, which I will use elsewhere, and I'm going to clean the slabs next with my amazing cleaner, soda crystals and washing up liquid, and then I'll leave it on and they'll come up lovely. And then I'll leave it like that so the water runs away, and then I will put some black weed suppressor in there, the fabric that suppresses weeds, and then I'll put the gravel back. So that's where we're up to at the moment, which is quite good. It took me about half an hour to do that. There is a section back there which forms a cross, but I'm not going to do that because I love that creeping thyme when it flowers. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I can't resist it. It's very cottage garden, so I'm going to leave that. Maybe when I cut it back, I'll do that other arm of the cross that's in there. Yeah, okay. So, here we go. So every morning, that's nice. Whoops, clematis. So every morning, I walk around. I missed that this morning though, didn't I? I walk around and I look what is, coming into bloom. The roses are really nice, old-fashioned roses. And I've spotted this gorgeous clematis. It is gorgeous. It is tiny, 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 which I don't mind at all. I like it because I've got, and look at that. Again, it's almost black. Look at that. Some of them are darker than others. It's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. And there's that lovely grass again, the black grass, which I love. Everything's tumbling into each other. Everything, which I love because that's cottage garden. Sunflowers, looking forward to them in a few weeks. Yeah, here's some more dark I'm very fond of these dark plants. I've got a lot of them, look. Very fond of them. Anyway, there we are. So that is that lovely section. So I've applied these the soda crystals and the washing up liquid. I've applied that 3 times, and I'm going to leave this on. Just going to leave it on and let it dry. And you'll see that I've started to put down the weed suppressant membrane, and started to put some of the Cotswold stone in that. So that should look nice. I might rinse this off, or I might just leave it on. I think I left it on the last lot that I did, and it seems to carry on working and just washes off in the rain. So I might do that. So I'll let you see what it looks like. This is the finished result. I think I put the soda crystals and the washing up liquid on 3 times, scrubbed it with a broom, and then I left it on there actually. Just left it on there. But that looks a lot better, and it's a lot safer as well. A lot safer to walk on. So this is what I did with the river rock. I already had some here, but I put more down. I've taken it from that, from the job that I've just done. And it looks lovely, looks lovely at the side of these steps. And I'll just show you what this is looking like. It's looking quite good. Yeah, it's looking quite good. Still looking good. The grass hasn't come through yet here, but a little pussycat did. That came through. It's Buddy Bongo, the naughtiest cat in town. There you go. Hi, Buddy. Hi, Bud. You been naughty today? Yeah, he's been naughty today. He's naughty. Sorry to disturb you, Buddy. I put a few plants in there. It's not going to look much because it's new, but they. So I hope you enjoyed our little cottage garden tour today, and it would be lovely if you subscribe to the channel. And with that, I'll say bye for now, and as always, love from Cornwall.